Hi! In front of me is REALME C11 and today I would like to show you how you can customize theme of your keyboard on this device. First of all, access settings and scroll all the way down. Now choose system, languages and input, on-screen keyboard and finally keyboard. Then go into theme and click on this plus sign under my themes. Over here you need to select a photo that you want to apply as your keyboard's background by clicking on the chosen one. I will go with gallery go over here and select this image. Then you can pinch it to scale and drag it to move. When you're ready, select next and adjust brightness by swiping left or right. Finally choose done and click on the switcher next to key borders to disable or enable them. Now choose apply and go back. As you can see, theme of my keyboard was successfully customized. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!